What is a gas turbine? The lights inside your home, the phone charger beside your bed, factories, cities, entire countries. Behind all of them, there is energy. And inside many power plants around the world, one massive machine is responsible for producing that energy, the gas turbine. At first glance, a gas turbine looks like a giant metal engine, but in reality, it is a controlled explosion system designed to convert fuel into electricity. Its job is simple. Take natural gas, burn it safely, use the resulting hot gases to spin a massive shaft, and transform that movement into electrical power. But this process is far more violent than most people imagine. Inside a running gas turbine, temperatures can rise above 1,400 degrees Celsius. Air moves through the machine at enormous speeds, and thousands of metal components operate together with almost perfect timing. Yet despite all this complexity, the core idea is surprisingly simple. A gas turbine works using three main steps. First, it pulls air from the atmosphere. Second, it compresses that air to extremely high pressure. And third, it mixes the compressed air with fuel and ignites it. The explosion creates a powerful stream of hot expanding gas. That gas then pushes against turbine blades, causing the turbine shaft to spin. That rotating shaft is connected directly to a generator, and the generator converts mechanical rotation into electricity. The entire process happens continuously. Air enters, fuel burns, hot gas expands, the shaft rotates. Electricity is produced, again and again, every second. To understand why compression is important, imagine trying to light a fire outdoors on a windy day. The flame becomes unstable, weak, difficult to control. But inside a gas turbine, the air is compressed so heavily that combustion becomes extremely powerful and efficient. The turbine is essentially forcing air and fuel to release as much energy as possible inside a controlled environment. And this is where the real engineering challenge begins, because the turbine must survive enormous heat, pressure, vibration, and rotational force at the same time. Even a small imbalance can create dangerous problems. Too much temperature, blades can melt. Uneven combustion, the turbine can vibrate violently. Poor fuel quality, flames may become unstable. Low airflow, the entire combustion process can collapse. This is why a gas turbine is not just an engine. It is a carefully balanced energy system. Every sensor, every valve, every pressure reading exists for one reason: to keep the combustion process stable. Because inside this machine, stability means power, and instability can destroy millions of dollars of equipment within minutes. But before combustion can even begin, the turbine needs something first: air, massive amounts of air. And in the next section, we will follow that air as it enters the power plant and begins its journey through the turbine system.